Magandang araw po muli. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, April 4, 2023 at malapit na po tayo magbakasyon. Kasi bukas po ay last trading day na po, no? And mabuhay po kayo. Welcome po sa the stock market today. Ang ating balita ay tungkol sa PLDT. Ako po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer na nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007 at araw-araw ko po binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, nibitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review, comment nyo lang po sa comment box at aking pro-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, April 4, 2023, dito lamang sa the stock market today. Ang ating headlines ay galing po ng Video Sec. March manufacturing growth expands at a slower pace. Budget gap widens in February on lower revenue collection. So, Bureau of Treasury. So, meron po siyang deficit itong February. S&P downgrades TEL credit rating by a notch. Stable outlook affirmed. Ito po yung ating main news. Mamaya po tignan po natin si TEL. BDO partners with Japan's Hiyakujushi Bank. And UPSON IPO surprises with a 20.8% share price surge. So silipin natin mamaya si UPSON, no? Nag-IPO po siya this Monday or kamakailan lang. Okay, ang ating main news ay galing po ng Philstar. Actually, nandito po siya. May downgrade po si PLDT pero nothing to worry about to no? S&P Global Ratings downgraded TEL's credit rating to BBB from BBB+. So, isang level lang po or isang notch on expectations of higher borrowings to finance its growing capex. S&P forecast that company's debt to EBITDA ratio would weaken to 2.8 times to 3 in 2023 and 2.6 times to 2.8 times in 2024 and remain above the 2.5 times in 2025. Despite the downgrade, SMC kept its stable outlook on TEL as rising earnings will provide some cushion against a growing debt pile. Moving forward, SMC said it may raise the rating if TEL improves its operating performance and ability to cut debt while maintaining its solid market position. So galing po ito ng Philstar and Inquirer. And right now, meron pong buy rating si BDO Sec on TEL with a target price of 1,655. So mamaya tingnan po natin si TEL. And then, let's take a look at your tingnan po natin ang inyong comments. Chito Gomez, good day. Po, RCR reflected losses for 2022. Does it automatically follow that its usual quarterly dividends, which it has religiously given, will now be in doubt? Please review. Salamat po. Okay, tingnan po natin si RCR. Actually, nasilip ko na po ito kanina and loss nga siya. And if it is a loss, then hindi po sila magbibigay ng dividendo. That's my take there. Kasi po, wala pong pagkukuhanan, wala pong retained earnings, negative po yung retained earnings niya. So, hindi po makakapagbigay ng dividendo yan. Kasi ang dividendo po, kinukuha po sa retained earnings sa either appropriated or unappropriated earnings. Pero kung negative po, wala pong dividendo. Okay, so let's now go to your request. So RCR muna. Teka, tingnan muna natin yung index, no? Okay, bumaba po ang index 57.95 points. Nasa 6472.04 or 0.89% down. Samantala naman, ang market activity, 91 companies advanced, 92 declined, 60 remained unchanged. All-share index ay bumaba din ng 0.47%. Sectoral indices, lahat po ay bumaba. At pinangunahan po ito ng financials at 1.81%. Pero the sole gainer is properties at 1.15%. So nag-gain ang properties. The most active stock is SM, pero bumaba po siya ng 1.69%, followed by SMPH. Pero itong mga sumusunod, URC, BDO, and ICT are all in the red. So, ang nag-gain po naman na familiar familiar names ay PhilREIT, Apex or APX, and wala na akong makitang ibang familiar. Del Monte, no, not that. Pero bumaba din si Nickel, no? Kasama ni Tel. Okay, so let's now start with RCR. Yan, naku. Although green candlestick po ito, red po naman nasa kanan, it lost 5 centavos, nasa 570. Siguro ina-expect na ito ng market, no? Na loss po siya. Ang earnings po niya ay yan, no? Total revenue is negative 4.5 billion. So net income is negative also, 5.57 billion. So loss po talaga siya. So wala po maibibigay na dividendo ito. Ngayon, kung titingnan po natin ang financial statements po ni RCR, so silipin nga natin yung financial statements ni RCR. Ito, I just got this Yan, kita nyo na po. So, ito po yung balance sheet niya as of December 31, 2022 at makikita nyo po, ito po, no? Retained earnings, it's deficit, no? Retained earnings is negative at 8.394 million. At kung titignan nyo po yung income statement, gross revenue is negative. So, what happened kaya here, no? Bakit nag-negative? Ang gross revenue nasa negative 4.497 billion. Yan. Followed by a gross expense. So, ang income or loss, net loss after tax would be 5.569 billion. Yan. So, loss po siya. However, kung titingnan po natin, so, bahagya lang po siyang bumaba. Pero, bearish to sideways po ang kanyang movement. Ang support po niya nandito sa area to. Sa 5.51. So, the last time it gave dividends was on February 14. February 28. Nagbigay po siya ng 9.76 centavos per share. That translates to 1.63% dividend yield. So, in the coming quarters siguro, no, kung loss pa rin ang per quarter niya, ay malamang hindi po yan magbigay ng dividends. Kasi po, ang dividends mo nagagaling po yan sa retained earnings. Okay? So, wag na po kayo mag-expect kung kayo po ay merong hawak na RCR, wag muna po kayo mag-expect ng dividends for the first quarter dahil loss po siya. And siguro in the coming days, as the news comes out, malalaman po natin kung bakit siya nalugi, no? For 2022. Okay, next we have TEL. Naku, bumaba rin si TEL. Red engulfing candlestick po ito. And si TEL kasi ay merong news, ano? Hanapin nga natin yung news kay TEL. Ito. S&P downgrades PLDT credit rating but stable outlook affirmed. So, more or less, from triple B plus to triple B dahil merong siyang issue on higher company borrowings and they have to reduce their debt. SMC said it forecasts PLDT's capex to hit 85 to 87 billion this year. This projection includes the financial impact of the 48 billion budget overrun that the company announced in late December. So PLDT's high spending was to improve its mobile network quality and last mile home broadband connectivity. But SMPH said the elevated capex in the past years had been straining PLDT's capacity to safely carry more debts. SMC cited the company's own worst case scenario projection of a 15 billion increase in debt this year. Okay, so yan po si PLDT, and right now it's moving downwards. Ito po ay nasa, I would say, near support, because the support, hanapin nyo natin yung pinaka-support ni TEL. Near support na po ito eh. Kasi nandito po siya. Yung pinaka-support niya is here. Yan, nasa 1221.13. Although kay BDO-SEC, si TEL ay meron po siyang buy rating pa rin. Nasa 1665 or 23.8% upside. Pero ngayon nasa 1,280. So about 30% na lang yung umakyat yung kanyang upside to 30% dahil bumaba yung kanyang presyo. Okay, next we have APX. Kumita ito si APX. So, yan, umaakyat siya. One good news is APX. And right now, I would say na yung pinaka-support line ay nandito po sa EMA 100, 1.91 po ang pinaka-support. But if you will be plotting it horizontally, nasa 1.88, but that's still support area. So, na 1.91 po yung EMA 100. At yung level niya ngayon is already support level here. And mapapansin niyo po yung RSI, ito po siya po ay overbought. Nasa 71.83. So, expect the stock to move downwards in the coming days. So, may pangitain na po tayo dahil yung RSI is overbought, 71.83. Yan po. Si Apex, then SMPH, the most active stock na green engulfing candlestick siya. And nakita niyo po dito, oversold po siya, noong March 31. So, it's now moving up. Ito po yung oversold niya. Yan. Kasi po pag ang RSI ay below 30 and below, oversold po yung stock. So, ibig sabihin po niyan, in the coming days, maaari pong magkaroon ng turnaround or bounce ang stock pagka oversold. Kung overbought naman po, magkakaroon po ng turnaround from going up, the prices may go down in the coming days. Pero ito po ay overbought or oversold rather. So the stock is expected to move upwards. So nasa support level na po si SMPH. Yan po. Nasa 33.43. Samantalang nasa 33.75 po yung level po niya. So it bounced within that area. And abangan nyo po si SM dahil in the coming days, it is expected that the prices of the stock will move up. And then finally, we have UPSON. Sleeping na natin to. Okay, so second day of trading po si UPSON. And green engulfing po dito, 2.61. Magkano kaya ang IPO nito? Baka 2 pesos, or within that vicinity. Slipin lang natin yung IPO price niya. Hindi ako familiar. 240 ang IPO price pa ni UPSON. 240 nag-close ng 261 today, but yesterday it closed at 290. So higher than the IPO price, Okay. So tingnan po natin ang 15-minute chart niya. Yan. So, nag-surge po siya dito noong April 3 ng mga bandang hapon. Pero yung opening po niya lackluster. Now, probably because ang nangyari dito is sinuportahan po nung merong buffer po yan. Yung underwriter would support the stock. Meron po siyang buffer So, dito siguro nagkaroon yan. Ano? So, merong broker na bumili and then this caused the stock to move up. So, right now, it's 261, 21 centavos above the IPO price. Okay, so yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-4 ng Abril. Ito po si Benji Chitoro nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.